Hey again, everyone. No doubt by now you've heard of and played with ChatGPT on your own, and it's super cool. It's a game changer. The whole, hey, Google is dead. We had a nice 20-year run. Um, Discussion has been running rampant over the past few weeks. So if you haven't tried it out yet, definitely go to chat.openai.com and set up your account and just play with it. It's really fantastic. So I decided to ask ChatGPT how I could use it to create a little app that would analyze your resume. I have this fake resume here, a little sample resume for a web developer, and it's on my hard drive. And I basically asked ChatGPT, how can let me scroll back up to the top here, so my scroll bar is not working. How could I use you, that is ChatGPT, to analyze a web developer resume? And I asked it to make a YouTube script, but I'm not really using this script. Basically, you set up your account as I just recommended. You can generate an API key. You can install the OpenAPI client on your machine. You can copy your resume into a text file. I went a little deeper and asked it to iterate on that and make it a PDF resume, since most people will have a PDF resume. And then you send your resume over the interwebs to GPT-3 for analysis, and then you get the response back and handle it. So I asked for Python code on step 4, which was how to use the API. So it is great. It tells you code snippets step by step. It explains them. It adds comments, and I asked it, so can you let me know how to convert my resume from PDF to text? And it suggested a package, PDF2. So I installed that package, used the code snippet, and extracted the text from the PDF. Then I asked it to regenerate the first response, which it did, which I'm not using that script. There's enough YouTube videos of people using ChatGPT generated YouTube scripts that I don't have to add another one to YouTube. And then I asked it to regenerate the code using the PDF extraction rather than the text file. So it did. And then I ran into a couple of errors because of deprecated methods. So it was very interesting here because it understood the error message, and I understood the error message too, but I feel I enjoy having this dialogue with ChatGPT, like as if it were a person, and that's why I kind of told it that, hey, your recommendation is not working. And sometimes I even say thank you to ChatGPT, so that's nothing strange. So it told me to update my installation, and then it told me to use PDF reader instead of PDF file reader, but then it didn't put that in the code. It still put PDF file reader. So that was weird. So then I told it, no, hey, I need to change the method to PDF reader. And then it's like, oh, you're right. Sorry about that, my bad. And so then it tries to generate the correct text, but it still has some deprecated methods in here which popped up some other errors. So then kind of, fix that. And then I asked it to reprint the whole code again, all in one file. And then I got some error because the object that was being returned, I was trying to access something that was nested. So it wasn't response.text. It was more like response of choices of 0 text. So it actually gave me 2 methods to access that. And I chose the latter, loop. And then just to be cheeky, I asked it, hey, can you add some error handling? And it did all that, which I haven't implemented that because it's just playing around, but it's very cool what it can do. It's super powerful. The amount of work that it could help you accomplish is pretty insane. I just had it write some haikus also. It handled that no problem, like a boss. And pretty much, if you want to do this too, just set up your account, generate the API key, and you can use it in your function. So